So one of the ways that people try to get ahead is by buying like a used coffee trailer. Sometimes they'll buy like a trailer that's semi-built out. And those are great ideas. There's pros and cons to each. So if you're buying a used one, you can get a lemon and you can just get screwed over. There's no lemon laws for coffee trailers. So kind of keep that in mind. You got to think about why that person's selling their trailer. And it may or may not meet your code and regulations. So if it doesn't, then sometimes you're having to demo and then build out, which is even more expensive. But I get some of the questions of like, well, what about the ones that just have like walls and electric? And it all depends on your menu, because if your menu is oriented towards espresso, you're going to need a lot more electric usually than what they have to offer. So that may not necessarily get you ahead. But if your menu is not necessarily built towards espresso, you're kind of doing other beverages, then yeah, you might be able to kind of fast forward the coffee trailer dreams by getting something that already has its walls and its electric built out. And sometimes they have a window, which is really cool.